Well, look at me. I think maybe a month ago, this came into Perth, and now look here. The green cover is gone off. The beauty of the actual trackless tram is here. The inside, you can see inside it. You can just see it right here without the cover. 3 doors per side, I guess. Very good English. I don't know if you can see that. It says open and close must be lights. No, I can't. And here's the front over here. This is the front of it, the Trackless Tram, which is entirely Sterling. So the Public Transport Authority, I mean, they do have some stuff with the regulations and stuff, but the Council of Stirling, also known as the City of Stirling, is the council that is funding this whole thing. So the PTA and the state government and the national, just the entire government, except for the City of Stirling, is funding this. So weird. It's such a different type of transport. I came here right after school. On the bus, I just saw a message from my aunt just saying, I'm just so surprised. Oh, they're gonna close the door. This is steering wheel, what? Hey, I wanna see them close the door. Seats, not very comfortable. Don't care, just blue seats. It's quite big actually. They're gonna close it or not? I don't know if they're gonna close it. Is it gonna work now? It's not gonna work. I was the first person to film the actual tram being here. Now I'm also the first person to film it out in the open. Yeah, onto YouTube, obviously. I beat City of Stirling. I'm better than them. Okay, let's just look at the front on view. I think that's Shanghai Electric logo, I think. It's quite cool. So can't see from here. Go back over here. It's so cool. Australia's first. Bro, there's literally Chinese on the door. That's not gonna be helpful for people who don't speak Chinese. Let's see the inside of here. And just, you can see it's like an elevator step access to the front of the cab. It's so so weird. Such a weird vehicle. It's not even gonna be a part of transport. It's gonna be completely different. Don't know. Like, I guess in perspective, it's a different type of operator. We get two private companies now that run public transport in Australia, the city of Stirling and Chesper, which is also government affiliated, but yeah. Oh, the lights on the ceiling are pretty cool actually. It's quite different. But I reckon that's basically, I don't think the door's gonna open anytime soon. There's also no buttons. No buttons. It's gonna be open or closed. That's it. No buttons. I wonder if Transfers will ever operate this though. Like maybe they'll change their mind and go, oh yeah, let's operate this, hey? Or probably not. If it fails, then yeah. That's different though. Here it is. Alright, thank you for watching. Yeah, thank you for watching, and something got a shoot. Guys, yeah, I'll send it on a good note. Thank you for watching. Hope you loved this video. I was actually here yesterday as well. This cover was still here. Anyways, thank you for watching. If you didn't watch the last video about this tram, which still had the checklist, which was imported straight from China the day before, go watch that video. It should be on the top right. And again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye. Manually open it then. Yeah, okay. At least we saw it close. Right, yeah. At least we saw it close and kind of open. Again, thank you for watching, and yeah, that's basically it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!